In a wide pan on medium heat, cook salt pork until crispy. In a blender, add whole kernel corn and a quarter of the salt pork, then blend. Add coconut milk, vegetable shortening, baking powder, sea salt, then blend again. Pour into a bowl and add brown cane sugar, enrich yellow cornmeal, mix until uniform. Add half the salted pork and stir until uniform again. Place corn husk on top of aluminum foil. Scoop some of the mixture into each husk. To avoid the dukuno from leaking, tightly roll the two pieces together towards the husk. Roll the side of the aluminum towards the husk, followed by the other side. Make sure the seal is tight and there are no holes. Bring a pot of water to boil. Stack the dukuno upright. Cook for 20 minutes with the lid loosely on. Then turn the patches around and cook for an additional 20 minutes with the lid back on. Dukuno is done. When it feels firm, crush the salt pork for garnish. Serve with a side of conch ceviche. Now go ahead and impress your Belizean friends with some sweet Dukuno.